This is your IF1 course summary, which is insurance, legal and regulatory. Do you want to tell us what's involved in this one, Grace?
Well, first and foremost, it's a big book, and unfortunately you have to get this one done to continue on with your studies. So once you've got this, you really do have the foundations for every other module that you're going to be looking at. There are 11 chapters altogether, the first of which really goes through risk in a lot of detail. So it looks at the components of risk, risk management. It talks about different types of insurance and how it works generally in the wider market. And then we go on to talk a little bit about kind of contractual elements, agency, law of agency, and a few other kind of key insurance principles. Each chapter is dedicated to an insurance principle, so things like insurable interest, indemnity, proximate cause, subrogation, contribution, and then it goes to talk on a little bit more about key compulsory types of insurance. And then we get to the part that's a little bit scary. It's very heavy detail into legal and regulatory towards the end of the book. So just when you think you're getting to the end, you're kind of hit with these couple of chapters. But essentially they're all things that you really do need to know for your day job, but then also for your future modules. So they look a lot at the kind of the regulatory side of things, so the FCA and the PRA. And then finally, they focus on dispute resolution.
So IF1 is a compulsory unit. It's either that or LM1 and LM2, which is really specific for the London market. So you'll probably find if you're not in the London market, this is the obvious choice for you to go down. Therefore, it is the main reason that people are choosing this one.
And we have 100 multiple choice questions. So that's one answer out of 4 that you have to answer in the exam. You have 2 hours allowed to do it. And you have a pass mark of 70%. So you have to get 70 marks out of 100 for this particular module.
The most recent pass rate for IF1 is 75%, and this gives you 15 credits at Cert CII level.